is Cherry Blossom, Baba Girl Ukiha, the 8th. Happy, happy, happy! She is 8 and is almost as strong as Greg Adolf. Fun fact, she is secretly bald and in love with Obanai. And since she is bald, they all buy her wigs in hopes it will be her favorite. She loves and cherishes her wig Obanai gave her and wants to burn Mitsuri's socks that Obanai gave her BC. She is jealous. She also really likes to eat dirt, and that's why she got brain damage and lost all her hair. She is really preppy and a Sephora kid. And if Master Kagaya doesn't give her some bubble or drunk elephant, she will hardcore tantrum. Here is an example of one of her attacks.